On va continuer. Au lieu d'utiliser les numéros de 1 à 10, on va utiliser les numéros. There is a little shift there. So that is why we have. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to VINDAL'S Academy. And today we are going to look at the part 2 of the nombres cardinaux. In our last lesson, we ended in number 30, and we are going to take it up from there. Now, like I told you in French, all you need to do, so for us to get a mastery of what we are doing, we are going to still write our numbers from 1 to 10 because that is our base. So let's go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, if you want to master your numbers in French, you have to know numbers 1 to 10. Very important. It helps you to write other numbers. Now, in our last video, we ended in number 30, which is 30. And I told you that when we are counting from 30 to 40, we do the addition method, which is 30 plus 1 equals to 31. So we are going to write that out. We have 31, 30, and we bring our 1, 32, 30, and we bring our 2. That is how we are going to continue till we get to 9. It only changes when we get to number 40, which turns to be 40. And we continue with the same pattern. 41, we have 41. We have 42. Now, to help you know how to pronounce these numbers, let's go back to 30. We have 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, which is 34, 35, which is 35, 36, which is 36, 37, 37, 38, 39, and when we get to 40, it changes to 40. The same pattern we are going to use with 40. We go 41. That is why I say you need to know these numbers by heart. 41, 42, which is 42, 43, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, 46, 46, 47, 47, 48, 48, 49, which is 49. Now, when we get to 50, it changes too. Now, when we get to 50, we have what we say called 50. 50 is 50. Remember, the number 5 is what? 5. Now, 50 is what? 50. 50, which is 50. So, from 50 to 60 is the same thing. We still have 51, which is 51. The same pattern. 51, we have 52, which is 52, 53, 53, 54, 54, which is 54, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57, which is 57, 58, 58, 59, 59. Now we changed to 60, which is 60. 60 is 60. 60 is 60. We continue in the same pattern, like we have 61, 61. The same way, 62, 63, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69. Now, I'm going to show you something new. We now have 70. Now, unlike we have had different names for different numbers from 20, 30, 40 to 50, it's going to have a new turn when we get to 70. Now, let me show you how. The 70, we are still going to use this method of addition. 70 is 60 plus 10. Did you get that? 70 now becomes 60 plus 10. Unlike the other ones, 20 was 20, 30 was 30, 40 was 40, 50 was 50. 60 is 60. But unlike these numbers, 70 does not have its own name. Now we still continue with the addition method, which is 60 plus 10. So what does it mean? We bring this 60, 70 now turns to, okay, let's use this board. 70 now turns to 60, this, which is 60 plus 10. Now, another amazing thing about this is we now switch from using numbers 1 to 10 to using numbers 11 to 20. What do I mean? Let's write down the numbers from number 11. Again, we have 11, we have 12, we have 13, we have 14, we have 15, we have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, in our first videos, I showed you how we got 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now, I'm going to show you how it changes from number 70. Now, instead of doing 61, which we already did in 60, which is 61, it changes. Now, to get 71, we now have 71 to be 71. We have 72. Remember, sorry, here is 60 plus 11, which is 71. Remember, we are doing, counting in French is addition. So we did 60 plus 11, which is equals to 71. So that is how we are going to write it. But the difference is instead of using from numbers 1 to 10, we are using number 11 this time to 20. There is a little shift there. So that is why we have 71, which is 60 and 11, making it 71. We have 72, 60 and 12, making it 72. We have 63, 73, which is 60 plus 13, that makes it 73. So that is how we write till we get to 80. In our next video, I'm also going to tell you how to get to number 80. Alors, nous avons vu que quand on écrit le numéro 70, ça change un peu. On va faire l'addition. On dit 60 plus 10 qui nous donne 70. Alors, on va continuer. Au lieu d'utiliser les numéros de 1 à 10, on va utiliser les numéros de 11 à 20. Alors, on va faire 60 plus 10 qui nous donne 70, qui est 70. Alors, on fait aussi 60 plus 11, 60 plus 12. On va écrire jusqu'on arrive à le numéro 75. Alors, dans notre vidéo, on va voir comment écrire les numéros suivants. Merci de rester dans notre channel. À la bientôt.